Today we are unboxing another amazing mobile phone, and this one is from the Xiaomi, and this one is called 15T Pro. This one called Pro because it has a lot of Pro features which we'll be talking about in a while. We will unbox this and see what do we have inside the box, talk about the specification and features, and put this on the test to see how pro this mobile phone is. What I have here actually is the Xiaomi 15T Pro gray color, and this one is the 12GB RAM with 1024GB ROMs. Okay, first of all, of course, a pin for your SIM, you have a quick start guide, then you have a warranty card and some safety information here. So look at this casing. Wow, this is a very nice casing, and it's actually a gray color, so it matches with your phone itself. This is your mobile phone, which we will talk about in a bit. And of course, we have a 90-watt brick to charge your phone, which is very good, and your cable, which is the type A to type C cable. So very durable, very good, and a solid cable here. And now the mobile phone itself. This one is the co-engineered with Leica. That's the main thing about this mobile phone. The camera is a pro quality. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality. This is a very good looking phone with the aluminum body. This is quite a big screen. This is the 6.83-inch AMOLED display, so we will talk about it. One thing I'm noticing that this aluminum frame fits so well with this color. On the right hand side we have a power button, we have a volume rockers. On this side also nothing, and everything is the bottom. Your type C charger goes here, and your SIM tray, speakers, of course your camera at the back. Even with such a pro quality camera, it's not very bumpy, so if I put it, yeah, it balances very well. And the weight of this is only 210 grams. That's why I think it's quite light, and it's very well balanced. Not that the camera here that it will flip over and all that. While I'm setting this up, let's hear some of the specifications and features. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is built to impress across display, performance, battery and connectivity. You get a big 6.83-inch AMOLED screen with 144Hz refresh rate, super smooth and ultra bright, great for long viewing. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chip with advanced cooling, so whether you are gaming, shooting photos or running AI features, performance stays fast and stable. Battery life won't be a problem either. The 5500 mAh battery supports 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, fully charged in just about 36 minutes. And with Wi-Fi 7 dual 5G SIM with eSIM support and Xiaomi's Astral communication tag, the Xiaomi 15T Pro keeps you connected everywhere. It even supports offline device-to-device voice call up to 1.9 kilometers. So there are a few options available for you for RAM and storage options. For example, we have the 12 plus 256GB or 12 plus 512GB or 12 plus 1 terabyte. As I mentioned, I have the gray color. They also have two other colors, which is the black color and the mocha gold. I am very excited to see how the mocha gold looks like. In terms of durability, this one is the aerospace grade aluminum, and for the screen, this one is the Gorilla Glass 7i, and it has the IP68 water resistance, so you can take some photos under the water as well. One thing I really like about this phone is the screen size and the refresh rate, of course. For example, I am reading news, or I am moving from app to app, so you can see here the refresh rate. It does a very good job here. One thing I'm also noticing with the refresh rate also, if I am moving from one app to another app, for example, if I want to go to YouTube and play a video here, I'm not facing any issues here or a lag between the things. So for example, if we go over channel, we will play any of the video. Okay. Today we are going to talk. Okay, while I'm using this, I'm noticing one thing, that the screen and everything, the colors, everything is quite natural. And as you guys can see how clear, oh wow, I can have an 8x zoom into the screen. It really enhanced, oh wow, this is zoom to fill. I will love to watch a video like that. So such a nice curves here. I'm really enjoying that, how cool this looks. The color quality is quite amazing, and I am at this moment not even full brightness. If I go for full brightness, my goodness, you can tell the difference in terms of quality of this video. Let me bring the brightness a little bit down. Also, the sound quality was quite good, quite decent. So if we talk about the camera, what we have here is the main camera, ultra wide camera, and of course your telephoto camera, which I'm super excited to test about, and of course all your sensors here and the flash here. So let me show you a little bit of the example of the telephoto camera first. The 15T Pro Leica 5X Pro telephoto camera lets you zoom in on far away subjects with crystal clear clarity from portraits to city landmarks. You get 5x optical zoom, 10x lossless zoom, and up to 100x AI ultra zoom. And as for the Leica main camera combines a custom Light Fusion 900 sensor with a Sumilux lens, the results which you get is professional level clarity, wide range dynamic shots, and excellent low light performance. Natural colors, sharp details, and real-time HDR make it stand out. And for the Pro video recording, it also delivers cinema level video features usually reserved for professional gears. It supports advanced recording formats, high frame rates, and HDR standard, giving creators full control. We will demo 8K video editing, showing how you can crop in without losing details, plus a before and after look at cinematic color grading, as you guys can see on our screen. For the main camera, out of the box, I did not change any settings. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the camera to take some photos. We have a very nice car here. So let me show you guys how the photo quality will look like, just from a normal. Ooh, these colors are so good. Let's say if I zoom in to this, like more zoom, oh my god, you can see how dusty the car is. Okay, this is the zoom in 5x. This is just a 5x photo. My goodness, this looks like a wallpaper to me. This is so cool. So what I want to do, I want to take a video now. I'm at the 4K 30 frames per second here. This is just out of the box settings to it. You can actually choose it from 720, 1080, 4K or 8K. Since we are screen recording this also, so I can't use the 8K. So let's go with the 4K here with 30 frames per second. And let's see, my goodness, all the dust I can see here very clearly. This camera is like crazy good. Okay, I'll try my best to give you guys a nice B-roll here, and I can go in, zoom in. My goodness, the quality is so good. If I have 5x, I can see inside the steering wheel also of this car. This is good. The next thing I want to do, I'm going to take a video from the front camera and the back camera for myself talking to you. Whatever you'll be hearing next will directly come in from the camera without any edits. So let's do that. Okay, so now whatever you're seeing is actually coming directly from the front camera. To me, it looks amazing here. But of course, we have some studio lights here. And even if you go out, which we'll be testing it later on, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to flip this to the back camera and pass it to my colleague to do it. So let's see how the results are there. And this is the quality from the back camera, and as you guys can see, I'm quite far from the camera itself. You can tell me how the audio quality is also and how good the video looks like. Okay, so this one is outdoor. I wanted to show you guys the HDR version of it, like if I'm outdoor and I go indoor, how it changes from very bright to the dark environment. So let me take you guys inside. I'm indoor now. This one is actually very dark place, but it looks so, the color combination of this, it just makes it look so good, and it still shows that like I don't even need the lights for this. So I think it does a very amazing quality control on the lights in the HDR version. So I think it works very well. So a huge thumbs up for that. And this one is now the back camera. So if you guys can see how the quality looks like, but I will go even further into a darker room. So let me show you guys. Come on. Messy. You can tell me, can you see it? Is it? It's very dark color. Yeah. There's not even a light in yet. So let me turn on the light. Look at this. You can still see everything. Well, yeah. Sorry for the mess, but yeah, this is what the quality control on this video camera is. It's amazing. This is not just a smartphone, this also comes with a lot of AI features, and this one first of all is running on the HyperOS 2 and is upgradable to HyperOS 3 as well. For the AI feature parts, we have seen some of in the settings also. If you guys can see, there is a Xiaomi Hyper AI, and which have your personal smart assistant with the Gemini, so you can actually do a lot of settings with Gemini. But then there's of course built-in app available, so you can use this to generate videos, photos, whatever nowadays with the AI power you can do it here. And apart from that, there are other AI app boosts available here. So for use AI to upgrade apps and enjoy smarter services. So for example, you have AI writing, you have AI dynamic wallpapers, AI creativity assistant, AI speech recognition, you have the translation conversation, you have the interpreter and AI subtitles also. So a lot of things available. You can set it up and you can utilize it. What I want to show you guys in the gallery, that's the most of the people use. For example, we have a photos here. I go to the gallery, I press edit, and I can see all these AI features here. Let's say we will enhance this photo. So this one is restoring. Let's see how good the job this does. It's restoring the image now. and there we go, you got the HD version. So you can save it. What we have here is two photos. One is the normal photo and one is the HD enhanced photo, and I think the enhanced photo, my goodness, look at the details you can see. Let's go back to our original photo and we will go to the edit again. So as you guys can see, there's an erase part here. I can do manual erase here just like that and cover it whatever you want to, and you press start and it should erase that all the things and it will replace with the proper background here. It takes a while. Wow, look at this, how good the job this does. I really love it. It's very nice also, as you guys can see. So in terms of the conclusion, I think if you are a creator, you are a gamer, you are a professional, or you want to use it for the daily use, I think this phone fits very well for you. It has a lot of functions, especially the camera. I think it does an amazing job. We all loved it while we were playing it around, me and my team as well. And if you combine everything with the battery power, with the camera, with all the functionality that's available, so I think it's a good choice to go for. Let me know what do you guys think in the comment section, and if there are any discount code available or any important links available, you'll be able to find in the description of this video. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.